So in this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 products you should be trying to sell on Redbubble if you want to increase your Redbubble profits as well as your Redbubble earnings. I have sold all of the products I'll be talking about. So I'll be showing you some screenshots, showing you how much I got for them, what my profit margins were. And if you stick around for long enough in this video, I might even show you a bonus product. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shop. If you're new around here, I make a lot of print-on-demand content. So if you're ready to learn and you're ready to make sales, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. There's a lot of people in this community that have already made sales, and if you're keeping up with the videos, you could be next. For anyone that might be looking for some extra information, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. However, if you're someone that's looking to make this into more of a full-time thing, I have a step-by-step paid guide that's also linked down in the description. And with that said, in this video, I'm hopefully going to be helping you guys make a lot more money on Redbubble. And as I said at the start, I'll be going through 5 products you should be trying to sell if you're looking to make more money, how much I made from those products, and what you could do to potentially increase your chances of getting sales with those products. So the 5 main products I'll be talking about in this video are the throw blanket, the tapestry, the canvas prints, the A-line dresses, and the duvet covers. Now, a lot of you may be thinking, how do I even go about picking or setting up these products? So before I go into explaining anything further, I'll show you exactly how right now. So when you go into Redbubble and you go into your design, this is the page that you see. As you can see, there's a lot of different products. Now, if you want to make sure that your design is on a throw blanket, all you need to do is scroll down to the throw blanket. As you can see there, that also works with the tapestries. You just have to make sure it's activated. If you want to set your product on canvas prints, all you need to do is just find the canvas print. So it comes under artboard print. So this is what it would be. You just make sure that this is activated and your design looks good on that. For example, this is really small, so usually I would increase the size on that. With the A-line dresses, it's simple. Once again, you find the A-line dress, make sure it's enabled. And with A-line dresses, a lot tend to sell with the pattern designs, but you can sell them without the pattern designs as well. It's just really handy to know that you can use that. And finally, for things like duvet covers, you just go onto the shower curtain here. Now, it does say it's shower curtains, duvets, and comforters, but a lot of people don't even read that part. They skip over it, so they can never find it. So all you do, you click on this and then you go into the product settings, and then you just make sure that everything is activated. If you don't want the shower curtain to show, you can uncheck it. And this is also cool as well, because if you want to set particular margins on a set product on this one design only, you can also do it here as well. Now, that's how you make sure that all the products are activated and ready to go. But if you want a particular product to be the front image, you go in this part at the bottom where it says default product in your shop. You click on the drop down and then you just find the product here and you select it. So you can see it goes anywhere from duvet covers, you know, comforters. Every product Redbubble has is on this list. You just have to make sure that whatever you want is selected. Once that's done and you're ready to go, you can then start to sell your products. Now, for those who don't know, on average, the amount made on Redbubble is roughly $3 a product, which is roughly around £2.20. And I'm not saying on every sale, but if you take, for example, the people that are selling duvets making a lot of money, and the people that are selling stickers and making small amount of money, at an average, it comes out to around about the $3 mark or the £2 mark. And in this video, all the products I'll be talking about could potentially make you a lot more than that, have made me more than that, and that is what you're going to be seeing now. Now, I managed to sell a throw blanket and it got me a profit of £8.80, and I was selling this at a profit margin of 35%, and this is something that I slowly built up over time. I started off, I think, around 15% profit margins, and then I slowly increased it when I saw that this throw blanket was selling. And if you're looking to go out there and sell the throw blanket yourself, all you need to do on Redbubble is search by the particular product, in this case a throw blanket. So as you can see here, there's a lot showing on the front page. Now, the ones that are at the top are the ones that are usually performing well. Redbubble is always going to advertise and push the things that are making them money. So you could either just look at what's at the top or sort this by best selling, just to get an idea of the throw blankets that are doing well. And then once you see this all you want to do is see how you can create a similar throw blanket better. When you look at the top here, it also shows you on these little tabs ideas you can create for throw blankets, so you can literally go through them to see if you can find smaller niches or keywords with smaller results than 6,000, as you can see here. That will always help you find an idea that could potentially sell. With throw blankets, they don't always sell straight away. You might have to wait a little while, but once they start selling, the sales can be consistent. Also, before I move off throw blankets, there's instances as well where I will sell throw blankets and throw pillows together, mainly because people like buying them as a pair. So that's something to bear in mind if you're looking to go out and sell something like this. Next in line, we have tapestries. Now, I have sold tapestries at around £5.56, and that was with a 25% profit margin. Although a lot more people sell tapestries, the research method through Redbubble is the same. Sort by best selling to see what the best selling tapestry is, and then have a look to get an idea of what's doing well and then potentially how you can do it better. You obviously want to always stay away from trademark things, and if you want to trademark check, you can always use Trademark here, which is a site I've spoke about in other videos. Those videos will be linked down in the description. And once again, at the top, you have the tabs with keywords. So next up, we have canvas prints. Now, the canvas print I sold got me a profit margin of £9.38, and it wasn't one, it was two. They were both linked to the same niche, and I'm guessing one person decided to buy two of them. I had them set at a 20% profit margin, and it still made me all of that money, which till this day blows my mind. And guys, remember, if I can do this, so can you. So as you see me talk about all these numbers, show you these products, definitely go out there and try to sell on these products yourself, because you can definitely get sales. You can always go on Redbubble, same with the other product, search by the canvas print and then sort by best selling to see what's selling well. And at this point, you've probably guessed it, you want to see what the best sellers are, make sure they're not trademarked by trademark checking them, and create better versions. Next in line, we have A-line dresses. Now, I sold one that got me a profit of around £4.43. I'm pretty sure this is not the highest I've gotten this, but this is a more recent sale, so I'm just going to show this one to you guys. And I got this sale from using a profit margin of 15%. Once again, all you need to do is jump onto Redbubble, sort by dresses, and then see what the best sellers are. And at this point, I don't have to keep repeating myself. You want to see what's happening on the scene and, you know, create better versions. It's the same process over and over again for all of these high profit margin products. And at number 5, we have duvet covers. Now, I managed to sell a duvet cover and it got me a profit of £12.51. My profit margins were set at 20%, and this has to be up there with the most amount of profit I've got on one item. Duvets are a fairly interesting one, and I know a lot of people sell these. You're gonna want to go on Redbubble and search using duvet covers, as you probably would have expected at this point. You always set by best selling, see what's doing well, and use the information Redbubble's giving you. And now that you've got an idea of the product you want to use, you can even use the inbuilt features within Redbubble, such as the search bar trend checker, which I call the A to Z method. All you have to do to get that going, you click on a letter and it will show you the top 3 letters highlighted by an arrow that are doing well under that letter. And for whatever reason, if you can't be bothered to go from A to Z, just clicking through the letters, seeing what's trending, there's a website out there called Bubble Trends, and it shows you everything from A to Z, the top 3 keywords for each letter that are doing well. So you can come on that and have a look to see what's going on. I will link that down in the description for anyone who wants to actually go and use that. And I don't know if you guys remember, but at the start of the video, I said I might throw in a bonus item. So if you're still watching at this point, I mean, I'm gonna tell you because you deserve it and you're amazing. But the bonus item that I have sold is a shower curtain. Now, this is a bit of a crazy one, but before we get into that, the profit that I made on it was £7.54, and the profit margins were set at 23%. The reason I set those profit margins was because I was trying to be competitive in the niche that I'd gone into. At this point, I'd never sold a shower curtain before, but I thought, let's try it. And I'm not gonna lie, it did not sell straight away. I think it sold after roughly a month and a half, so it took a long time to sell, but the profit at the end end of the day was worth that wait, because obviously with most shops, you've usually got other things that are getting sales for you. At this point, you already know the drill. You know what you have to do if you want to look into shower curtains to see what's doing well. You can search through Redbubble through the method I spoke about with each of the 5 other products. Nevertheless, if you've made it to this point of the video, down in the comment section, comment down money margins. I'll try to respond to as many people as I can. I hope you have gotten a lot of value from this video. If you have, a like rating would be very much appreciated. Make sure to subscribe if you're still not subscribed to this channel, as I have a lot more videos like this coming. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.